sharpshooter. I think you have an angle at it.
Okay. I mean, I can move. I'm happy to. But... oh, fuck. How do you play D&D?
Couldn't tell you.
Me every single week.
I ask that every day.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You're good. Do your thing.
Cool.
That hits.
Oh. Okay. Never mind on that 4. That's a full sneak attack. Yeah, so it's 15 plus 6.
Gotcha.
Shoot him again.
That hits.
I don't know why it's playing +9, it should be +11, but...
Good shot.
oh yeah, you named it after, who's it, Gregor Simba?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, that's funny.
Pretty good shot.
You do have one more attack.
I know, I'm thinking.
Gotcha.
Let's make this one associated with that.
I will say, Jericho, as these 2 bolts fly in, curving right around your masked face, you see splinters of bone crack off of it, where none is present upon its body.
So, does a, what is it? Made to be
But I didn't understand it.
Does an 18 yeah.
18 would hit.
Okay. So it's 20 damage.
Roger. You see more of these bone fragments fly off of it. And you know what? You don't like that so much. So, Flora, for your efforts, roll me a strength save.
Oh, that's a fun
What?
thing.
Oh, I don't remember.
Get the fuck out of here! You actually succeed. That's
Are you
amazing.
Wow.
Golden.
Nice.
See, you just roll good sometimes. That's all it takes, you know.
That's crazy.
Okay,
That's cool.
you see this Iron Maiden like ossification wrap around you, but you push yourself out of the way before it snaps shut. And as you do, you look at it, and it has an uncanny resemblance towards you.
What does that mean? What the fuck?
It's made for you.
You see him just raise his arms up into the air, almost like he's carrying little puppet strings. As he sinks into the ground, you hear him hiss and cackle.
Oh, okay.
What kind of cackle are we talking about?
That's pretty tall cocker right there. Yeah, at least it's 7 on a bad day.
That's great.
They do nothing as they've just been summoned on their turn.
Mm-hmm.
Bradford, you
Oh.
see all these undead spring forward from the ground.
I don't know. Bonus action is very limited. We're gonna do. That's a tiny bit of waste, but I'm gonna do this. He's gonna bonus action eat one of these to get a little bit more damage. Nah, don't need heal anyways. I know I have this on here. There we go. And he's just gonna action. Oh, she's over there. Gregor's a big boy. He'll be closer to that guy. Actually, I don't even. Whatever. He's gonna attack this guy up here. Yeah, skewed about. No advantage or anything because it just got out of the ground. They're still standing. Okay. Is it one dude or is it like the picture shows of like multiple?
No, it's just one.
It's just one dude.
Although they do look really familiar.
Bradford's gonna make himself not think about that. I have a couple ideas of what it might be, and I don't like any of them, so he's just not gonna think about it. Does 15 hit?
15 does just miss.
Ha!
Whoa.
Yeah, okay, fine. We'll do second one. Okay.
That's AC
Yeah.
is 16.
That's surprisingly good damage right there. If it makes a difference, it's slashing damage. Can Bradford tell if it makes a difference?
It doesn't. They seem to be very weakly constituted creatures.
Fair enough. Action bonus. Movement. I can't think of what she's going to do. He's going to say where he is. He's going to say where he is. Yeah, he's done.
Erica, no. She's just gonna get away from all that. She's done her job. She's passed out poisons and potions.
Man, I can't wait for her to get caught in an Iron Maiden.
You see her begin to search around.
Right.
Jericho.
Just I don't know if this would take an action, but is Jericho able to tell if this guy's gone invisible or like left? That
He
position?
dug himself into the ground.
In that case, so there's a hole in his wake.
Sort of. Like,
Okay, so like-
Burrow's like kind of weird like
Gotcha.
that.
Yeah. So Jericho will just kind of say at the spot where he dug himself into the ground, I don't know what you're looking for, but I'm gonna kill you and I'm gonna take it super hard. And he's going to turn around, notice that we have company, and yeah, I will bonus action vamp over to here. First attack is at advantage. And now I have meta knowledge about regular skeletons. I don't know if that would translate to like Blackwatch teachings at all, but do I know if skeletons are weak to bludgeoning, or does that not matter?
No, they're not weak to bludgeoning. However, the common misconception comes from the fact that typically the necromancy spell takes place in the cervical. So crushing that is the easiest way to sever the connection.
Okay. The cervical is.
The spine.
Oh, okay. If I
That's-
just call it. Oh, yeah.
Fun fact, that's actually voodoo belief.
Oh.
I
Well, in
learn
that
so
case-
much when I'm in D&D.
I think so. So first attack at advantage. I'm going to default to unarmed strikes since I don't see a current being very useful against bone. These are going to be bludgeoning, whether they're weak to it or not. So first one at advantage, bada bing. And also while I'm rolling these up, bone marrow has blood vessels in it.
It does. It has the red and yellow bone marrow.
Does that like stay in the bones?
So it's not exactly blood vessel, but it's precursor blood cell.
Okay,
It's what becomes blood vessels.
gotcha. And does that
Well,
stay
it sort of
in
becomes
the...
blood, It technically becomes all cells because you have your pluripotent cells there, which are your stem cells, which become everything in your body.
And I assume
Yes,
we
it does.
we bone marrow all the time. I assume vampires would as well. Anyway, that'll come up if it comes up. Second attack. These are. I didn't say which one this is on, right? So it's on this one.
Cool. So I'm gonna say you were probably shooting for that cervical. You know, it's a weak spot, right?
Of course, dude.
Okay. So fun fact: their to hit AC is 16. Their to hit cervical AC is 21.
Oh God.
If you hit it, it does deal double damage.
Hey, that's pretty cool. So yeah, you guys will hear Jericho shout out, "Hit the spine if you can!" Tumble like Jenga blocks. Jenga's cannon now, boys. So second attack, not an advantage. 28. Will hit for another 12 bludgeoning. That is also max. Jesus Christ. So that one's dead. Turn my attention to the right one. I'll go ahead and burn a key point for... Well, actually, I have one more attack left, don't I? Oh, 24. Jesus Christ, Jericho, calm down. 11. I mean, shit. I'm not gonna burn a key point then. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll one more as a bonus action, and hopefully...
The cervical attacker, the cervix destroyer, if you will.
No, no!
You did this. You did this.
And I still have my movement. Oh wait, sorry. Ignore that last strike because I bonus action teleported here.
Oh, you did. Good on you.
Yeah. So.
No,
Yeah.
I'll say you still get it. Yeah. Thank you for being honest.
Well, I could have got you with my movement then. So I guess.
He falls off the cliff.
Hey, perfect. So. Technically speaking, I have all my movement, but for the sake of being fair, I'm just gonna move 15 feet. Because that's what I would have had if I moved here with my movement.
Gotcha.
So that's my turn.
Lucian.
Okay, I shoot this one in the cervix.
No.
Well, the cervical region, yeah. The cervix is
No,
different.
no, the cervix. Okay, fine, cervical region. Okay, alright. First attack, 20.
Ooh.
I missed.
It hits, but it deals normal damage.
Yeah, okay. Damn. Second attack. 17 to hit.
Hits.
Nothing. Okay.
Oh, he's out of there.
Oh, okay, great. Now this one hits him with my little cannon underneath. Pew pew. Malusha, go. Ah! I did something.
Hey, nice.
Finally, it hits. And I will move. I'll move closer over here, I guess. Get closer to the. Oh no! Don't get closer to the zombie. No. I'll get behind Gregor. There we go. And that'll be my turn.
Okay. You were so kind to taunt him, Alec. You were so
Yeah.
kind to
I'm gonna steal your shit,
incite
son.
him. Huh. Just roll, an intimidation.
Oh my gosh.
You got it, buddy.
Because
10.
Oh, on for it.
Yeah, hold
You
on,
know
hold
what?
on.
In
Wait,
fairness,
Does it get
Okay,
advantage
no,
because
plus
he's starting to
five to
steal the
that?
junkie's drugs?
you can
Oh,
add
no.
a +5 to it if you want.
Oh wait. No, I have to be in 30 feet. Never mind, I can't.
Is the
I-
Ouroboros in 60 feet of me?
Exception of cool. Let's see. No.
I think I have to see him too. Never mind.
Well, he's about to pop out, but I will give you the 5 on it because I think it's cool.
Hey.
There you
Hey,
go.
so essentially what you've just done is about 167 damage.
What?
Make
Ooh.
sense? You.
Oh, okay. No. Okay.
His vulnerability is intimidation.
How are you gonna turn that against me?
You pushed him to his second stage because he now thinks you're going to steal the Ouroboros from him.
Okay. The name of the goddamn. Great. Now we just have its second phase, but for longer.
No.
So Jericho moved in this direction, so his back is this thing. You guys see him wave, and he says, "Don't worry, these guys are pushovers." As this fucking thing comes out of the ground, creeping up behind him.
I can feel your smile wilt away as this thing rises.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Where'd that come from?
He's too big to not be right behind you.
So you see this massive creature pop out. Oh, how nice! How nice for me.
Oh god damn it! Every time.
Oh, that's so nice. Look, guys, look, fantastic. Do you want to wake up one or several?
Do what?
One or several. How many saves do you want to make?
Ooh.
Fine.
Let's go for several.
I vote for
Sure,
one,
that's
but
one
you
of them.
know,
Maybe one amongst
Okay.
several people, or several against one.
So roll me a dex save for all of y'all.
I mean, I'm proficient in that.
is it something I see coming?
Yes, you do.
Oh my god.
We will take a 14, brother. You will take an 18.
It. I thought dex save was the one y'all were gonna succeed at, and strength
Apparently.
save was what y'all were gonna fail at. So let's talk about L's and how to take them.
Yeah.
Fucking acing this class.
that's really
Interesting. This
So we all suck.
is gonna be bad.
Yeah.
bad. Do I reroll this?
Oh no,
No.
Who else shoots a 50?
No.
Oh, target cause. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is the thing that killed the other thing. Okay, fantastic.
So that is 32, 42, 51 damage.
And we all take that. The whole total 50.
Oh yeah.
Great.
Wait, hold on. What?
74.
Ah.
And you said that was 50, how much?
32, 42, 51.
Okay.
Okay, so he's taking 51 damage.
That's.
Woof.
Well, okay, hold on. What the? No, I didn't know this. I didn't know what the save was. I'm not gonna do it now. Proactively, that's stupid. Yeah. All right, go. Damn. That's rough.
Yeah. It's rough out here.
How
Huh?
do we always end up in the perfect trajectory to get fucked by a
That was
lion
really
turtle?
good. So Kachomp?
Oh god, is that on me?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's down.
that would succeed. Silvery Barb say yes to do it again.
Okay.
Maybe?
Ooh, plus 11. It's possible. That misses. Thank you very much.
Well done. You survived the turn.
Okay, who ate shit last time and doesn't have advantage? Lucian massively ate shit. All right, Lucian gets advantage on whatever save he makes next.
Thanks,
Actually,
bud.
that's a really good
Gonna fucking need it.
Actually, will it make a difference how much health do you have?
8.
Oh no,
My
I don't
turn
think
was
it's gonna
skipped?
help.
No, it was just. Whose turn was it just?
It was my turn.
So it would be Gregor.
Boom, there we go. Okay, Gregor, it is your turn.
Okay.
You see this massive, bone-like, multi-headed, lizard, reptilian, dragon-like creature that in the middle of these 4 heads of it, this massive toothy maw pops out.
Oh god,
that's
they didn't even do that on
what
his
it
turn. Oh no, he has another turn before
No,
me.
you pissed them off.
Okay. Are Erika's potions an item interaction or a bonus?
They're an action.
God damn it.
Actually, no. That's right. It's alchemist class specific. They are bonus.
That's still bad, but not as bad. Oh fuck.
Hey, do you remember that message you sent out before you picked this fight?
Who picked what fight?
Just remember that message y'all sent out?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Wait, one message. The yellow. Oh,
Is that Julius and them?
Just as long as you remember that you sent a message out before the fight.
Okay. I'm trying to decide if it's worth healing right now. It's better to rage if I'm going to take normal damage types. If I'm getting sprayed in acid, it's not going to matter if I rage.
that's if you set yourself up to be in a line with someone.
Okay, I'm just going to rage to get it out of the way then. So Gregor's claw is gonna glow, or not glow, to about more than double its size, and we're gonna jump at this guy and try and smash him.
Okay. Yeah, I think you easily get there.
And I think he closes the fist of the giant claw and just punches his ribs out.
Fair enough, yeah. I like it.
And since I moved 10 feet, I would like to use that as a running start to jump 30 this direction.
Okay, yeah.
And I would have 5 more movement, so I'll step here. Am I in range to do anything else? I think I might be slightly outside my front weapon range. I'm gonna look. I am. Feels bad. Okay. That's all I got, I think.
Roger. Flora, back to you at the top.
Okay. You having bit is good. Hashtag engaged with the mine.
Well, first off, could you do me a favor and roll a perception?
Oh Lord. No.
Okay. Fantastic. Moving on.
Sure.
Actually, I'm gonna 50-50 it. High or low, which one do you want?
Low.
Low. Okay, moving on.
Oh.
All right. Well. There's a little wood.
You're fishbowling.
Yeah, I can't hear what you're saying.
I love that the
Okay,
very
is that
soft
better?
fuck came across.
That is better.
All right. Is this big bad sneaky boy engaged with Jericho or no? Too far away.
He's in range of Jericho. Jericho's not in range of him.
Is that like sneak attackable or no?
I think so, mostly because he only has eyes for Jericho right now.
Okay. Gonna shoot him. Cool.
Does not hit.
Oof. Buddy. We'll try again. That one hits.
That one definitely hits.
I would assume. I would hope.
Mm.
And fuck it, let's use some superiority to die and make it a distracting strike.
Okay. Do you say anything alongside that?
To distract him?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I know one thing you can say to get his attention.
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay. Alright, so it's a wisdom save?
No, it's just whoever goes next has advantage.
Gotcha. Okay. I was thinking goading. Yeah, that's what it was.
Are these trees like beefy enough that I could try to hide behind one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to hide behind this one.
That one. Okay.
Bonus action hide.
Could you actually roll me another perception now? Like, I don't think you... Okay, cool. You can't fail. Right? What is blind to him is clearly visible to you. Because it seems like this band of the Ouroboros that's hanging off of this tree just clearly does not want to be seen by him.
Oh. Well,
When the heroine doesn't even want you.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, you can only do one thing. So, 3... Actually, I made something for this. Okay. No recharge, he still has 2.
Oh no.
He used everything but 1, so he has 1 attack.
Oh no.
Technically he has more if he can do it smart. Is there a way to do this smart? Yeah, there is. He's gonna lumber his way over here, and he's far nimbler than a creature that stands 30 foot tall and another 20 feet with his neck as he slinks down the side.
Was that the path that he took? That he's mapped out there?
He would take like this.
Okay.
Yeah, you can make an up attack at him if you like. Because he does have a massive long tail.
Because I might be able to... Because with my vampiric bite, if it connects... well, that's here. Oh wait, next attack on him has advantage, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll go ahead and attack on a Shadow Strike to this.
Dang,
That's
it's just
all
out of
you
range,
have.
isn't he? Yeah, he is.
19 hit?
Yep, it hits.
Now for the sake of my vampiric bite, that's decent. Would the Shadow Strike count for here? Let me put the vampiric bite in chat. You regain hit points equal to the piercing damage dealt by the bite. Oh, but I can make my Shadow Strike do piercing damage, so would that count? Or would I just heal for the 12?
I think in this scenario you can do it, and we'll look at it further in the future.
Thank you.
Okay.
Then
You hit him. He turns his back to you to look at Bradford. And as he does, you feel dirt and cacti gets thrown across as a massive tail comes by to hit you and Gregor.
oh no!
That's a hell of a swing. Holy shit.
Oh, a strength
Wait.
save. Oh, or deck save. Oh, how inclusive.
Wait. Come within 15 feet. Did you mean
Let's go.
Jericho and Gregor? Oh, yeah, you did.
So everyone within 15 feet behind him here.
He's sort of facing you there.
But it's all or nothing, so he misses and does nothing. He has one more thing, but he will save it. Moving on. These bad boys is going to be climbing up towards you. Oh, this guy has to do a lot of climbing and falling. Hey, one of them. Let's go, my boy. Okay, Gregor. This strike comes at you. It's just an 11. It doesn't hit, or just a 12. It does not have advantage.
Sag. I wanted him to hit me.
That's all. That's all they can do. They're just getting in formation. Bradford.
I've been going back and forth on if, no offense, if healing Lucian like is beneficial at all because you have 8 HP. Like anything will knock you unconscious instantly.
Just attack the thing. If I go down, you can always pick me up later.
Yeah, true, and I have range on it.
Yeah.
Fane. Can I get to you guys instead? Can I get to a spot where I can just get both of you? I fucking run past this thing. Oh, does that leave its attack opportunity? No. Maybe. No, he's just gonna go. How far away is 50? Yeah, you could probably figure out a way to do it. He's gonna go here.
Okay.
Then how far away is that? That's within reach. Yeah, he's just gonna attack the one that's near Gregor. Cool. And then, training hand X. Ha. Go. He does not attack the one that's near Gregor, he attacks the earth near it. And, alright, cool. Well, he has a little bit more distance, but he can get there. So, this is stupid shit. He's gonna
I love it.
You shouldn't, it's a bad idea. He's gonna do this. He's gonna activate it. So Gregor can pick whichever one he wants. I'm gonna pick defensive because Jesus Christmas. And that's all he can do for his turn, just completely whiff 2 shots.
Fantastic. Okay, he's gonna do the one thing he could do. You see one of these heads slink around next to Jericho. Isn't that lovely?
You lined up again.
Oh, it's so low though.
If I have a thing that normally only works on attack rolls, it wouldn't work for this, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Dex save, right?
Mm-hmm. 4.
Well, evasion, so.
Fair. Ha! Bradford, take 8. And that's all he does. Erica!
Oh, wait, only half damage if you fail. Fuck me.
You can run it back, whatever that value was.
Thank you.
It'd be about 25, I think.
That changes everything. Jesus Christ.
Let me just make sure this is the play here. Yeah, so I'll have to... Oh, it's worth it. It's worth it. So, boop. With boop, And boop. So he needs to make a dex save and watch him just crush it. That's the wrong one. This is the right one. Yep, he does. Classic. Every time. She just looks. Puts her head down. Moving on.
Alright. I am going to...
Oh, wait, she can do one more thing. I forgot. How could I possibly forget?
Oh, do you one more thing with your precious? Oh.
So anyways.
Hate to see it. Spotting these skeletons coming down the way, Jericho will of course take a moment to shout out Grega! Point at the skeletons. Fetch! And then I'm going to activate my Sanguine Flare, since it is the second round, and I'm going to start wounding this guy, hopefully. Shadow Clone's not up. That's an action to summon, so I'm not going to do that. But I will... Let me see real quick. Vampire Bite. Gain bonus to your next ability check or attack would make the bonus equals... no. I haven't had time to get the... What is it? The